Welcome to this Generative AI Roadmap guide. In this video, we will walk you through a complete step-by-step journey from absolute beginner to building powerful Gen AI applications. Initially start with the basics. Focus on mathematics, linear algebra, probability, statistics, and calculus. Learn Python programming and essential libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Build a solid understanding of machine learning concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and model evaluation. Finally, dive into deep learning fundamentals, neural networks, optimization and frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch. Next, strengthen your understanding of natural architectures. Learn conventional neural networks for image tasks, recurring networks like LSTM and GREs for sequential data, and most importantly, transformers provided by attentions mechanisms, the foundation of modern AI. Explore autoencoders and GANs for generating images and learning latent features. Natural language processing. Generative AI thrives on language, so mastering NLP is essential. Learn tokenization techniques, word embedding like word to VEC and GLOVE, and sequence to sequence models. Understand attention, self-attention, and transformer-based models such as BERT and GPT. Practice tasks like text summarization, translation, and sentiment analysis. Now step into the core of generative AI. Explore GANs like DCGAN, Cycle GAN, and Style GAN for creating realistic images. Learn variational autoencoders for image generation. Understand diffusion models used in tools like Stable Diffusion. Study large language models including GPT, Llama, and Falcon, and expand to multimodal AI, combining text, images, and even speech generation. To build real applications, master the tools of the trade. Use PyTorch or TensorFlow for model development, Hugging Face for pre-trained transformers, LangChain for AI agents, and APIs like openai for rapid prototyping. Learn fine-tuning techniques like LoRa and explore prompt engineering to optimize responses. Move to advanced concepts like reinforcement learning with human feedback, retrieval augmented generation for improved context handling, and agentic AI frameworks like AutoGPT and LangGraph. Study techniques to reduce bias, improve security, and scale models using GPUs and distributed training. Build real-world projects. Create a chatbot using GPT, a text-to-image generator with stable diffusion, and AI code assistant, or even a multi-model agent that can process text and images. Showcase these projects in strong portfolio.